You put 1 lakh rupees into Swiggy on listing day. Today that is worth 73,000. But that is not even the scary part. We have seen this exact movie before. Last time it was Ola Electric. Stock went from 157 to 23 rupees in 18 months. 85% gone. And right now Swiggy is following the same script scene by scene. Both listed at peak hype. Both promised profitability was just around the corner. And both started a war they could not afford. For Bhavish, it was 800 retail stores while his scooters were catching fire. For Swiggy, it is 1100 dark stores while every grocery delivery loses money. But here is what Swiggy is doing that might actually be more dangerous than what Ola Electric did. Today we break down exactly why. Let us decode. Swiggy's stock has gone from 617 to 280 in less than 4 months. That is not a dip. That is a collapse. Their losses are not shrinking. They are growing. 1065 crore rupees lost in just 1 quarter. The more Swiggy grows, the more money it burns. And then this week happened. Restaurants across Bengaluru, Mumbai and Chennai started running out of cooking gas. The war in West Asia has choked the Strait of Hormuz, which is where India gets almost all of its imported gas from. The government has now prioritized gas for households, which means commercial kitchens are last in line. Restaurants, the ones that generate Swiggy's highest margin orders, are warning they have days of supply left. In Mumbai alone, 20% of restaurants have already shut down or scaled back. In Tamil Nadu, 10,000 establishments are expected to close. A company that was already bleeding just got punched from outside. But here is where the Ola Electric parallel gets really uncomfortable. Ola Electric's problem was simple. The product broke, scooters caught fire, customers left. That makes sense. Swiggy's problem is the opposite, and that is actually scarier. The product works perfectly. Millions order every day. Revenue is up 54% year on year. 6,148 crore rupees in 1 quarter. Sounds incredible, right? And this is what nobody is talking about. Swiggy Instamart, 1136 dark stores, growing at over 100% year on year. But the contribution margin is negative 2.5%. That means for every 100 rupees of groceries Instamart delivers, they do not even cover the basic cost of that delivery. And that is before rent, salaries and warehouse costs. Every single dark store is burning cash. Ola Electric lost money because nobody was buying. Swiggy is losing money because everyone is buying. And every order makes the hole deeper. That is why losses jumped from 799 crore to 1,065 crore in a single quarter. Growth is making things worse, not better. Meanwhile, Zomato reported a profit of 102 crore rupees in the same quarter. Same market, same customers, completely opposite results. Blinkit is contribution positive. Zepto has filed for an IPO. Swiggy is stuck in the middle, too big to pivot, too unprofitable to sustain. This is the Startup Teardown Red Flag report. Red flag number 1. Swiggy is currently trading below every single moving average. 5-day, 20-day, 50-day, 100-day, 200-day, all broken. The exact same signal that appeared on Ola Electric before it crashed another 40% from similar levels. Red flag number 2. The moving profitability target. Ola Electric kept pushing its break-even goal from 50,000 units to 25,000 to 15,000. Swiggy management is now promising Instamart break-even by first quarter of next year. We have already seen how this movie ends. Red flag number 3. The CEO says Swiggy will not participate in discount wars. Translation: they are losing money and they are also refusing to compete. In quick commerce, if you stop spending, you stop existing. There is no middle ground. So here is the real question. Is Swiggy the next Ola Electric? A company that goes from market leader to survival mode in 18 months? Or is there something in these numbers that everyone is missing? Drop your analysis in the comments. Best breakdown gets featured in next week's Red Flag report. If you want to know which company crashes next before it happens, subscribe. One startup, one crisis.